Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Challenger SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.6-liter V6 engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in billet metallic silver. It looks awesome. You got that really nice hood accenting with your lights there, and they are very bright. Coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our Yokohama brand tires. They look awesome. You do have your mirrors hanging out right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have our Challenger badging as well as our TR badging there. Open this guy up right here. Lots of room back here as well, very spacious, and you can fold those seats forward as well if you did need more room. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We do have our button to open up the trunk and our panic button there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out right there. You got your handle there and some storage for a place for a water bottle. It looks fantastic in here, very spacious, very comfortable seats as well. The cloth is very nice. It is electric seats, so backward and forward. Then you also have your lumbar support there. And then up here we got the controls over the lights, the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as we do have our in-cabin light control and the button to open up the trunk. And then up here you have your turn signals, as well as your windshield wipers and your high beams. Let's start her up, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here you do have your speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. And right in the center it does tell us our speedometer, as well as how many kilometers we have, which is 34,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around to your vehicle info, your performance page. You have your fuel economy, your trip info, your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. You do have your paddle shifters there, and in the center you do have your touchscreen display, so you have your AM and FM, and if you go into your media you also have your Sirius XM. I'll show you how that works in just a minute. You have your phone options here as well. You do have your compass, climate settings, and it is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different temperatures. And you also have your more right there. Down here we do have our volume down with the mute, our sport mode, we have our hazard lights, our back button, and our traction control with our tuner and browser. Front and rear defrost, then you do have your dual climate system, then you have your power, off, auto, your AC, and you also have your circulation there. Gear shift is here, a little bit of storage here, and your cup holders, and then you do have your center console here, so you have a SD card slot as well as an aux cord and a USB. And then over here you do have your locking glove box. Looks fantastic. Up top you do have your sunglass holder with your lights, and then built in right here you do have your Sirius XM. It is a coupe, so all you gotta do is pull this guy, you can get back there. Lots of room back there, and that center guy does fold down, so you do have armrest there, but it does seat 5 people altogether if you did need. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video, the 2016 Dodge Challenger SXT. If you want to come and take a look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.